We're here at Mike and Kristen's with a new kitchen and a new home. And the kitchen is Cambridge 5-piece maple seashell. Farm sink featuring glass on stacked uppers, cabinets to the ceiling, wood hood fan, Super Susan, a wine mail slot, built-in microwave wall oven. The island features Cambridge maple espresso with post pillars and a paper pullout. The fireplace features tamarind maple seashell with glass cabinets with glass shelves. In the office, we feature tamarind maple espresso with desk file drawers. Downstairs the bar is a Lockhart maple cappuccino featuring floating shelves and a 4-foot high island.